Hey, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be putting some airbags on a 2017 Duramax. We have an air compressor with a wireless remote also. So just remember, smash that like button and subscribe, and let's get to installing. So now that I have all my hardware laid out, I'm going to pull all the brackets off the frame, like the brake line bracket, and got to pull these bump offs out, and we can start mounting the brackets in here, the new ones. So these just come out. Just grab a flat screwdriver and they'll pop out of here. So since this truck has the factory gooseneck, the fifth wheel hitch, we can't use the brackets, so what we have to do is drill a hole in the frame with a 5/16 and run a bolt up. I'm going to weld across your teeth because I don't feel like that's enough. now I got the bags mounted in here. I'm going to just give it a little weld along the frame, just because this is the only bolt that's holding them in, because since this one has the fifth wheel hitch, the brackets don't work, so they just want you to put a one screw, but I'm sure that'll fall out or pull out if you don't do anything else. So brackets they give you, so they're pretty crappy anyways, but alright, so I got all the brackets tightened up. As you can see here, it just relocated the brake lines just a little bit. On the bottom, it just holds it down. As you can see here. The ones with the fifth wheel hitches, the U-bolts don't fit. So they just suggest you put one self-tap in, but I just ran a bead of weld just for a little extra support. I can run all the air lines now, so I'm going to just tee them together, run them up, tee them together, and then run them to the front. And then it has a little air compressor I'm going to wire in the front in the next video here, so tune in and you can watch that. Also, I'm just going to spray a little black rubber coating over all the welds, just prevent rust and stuff, so spray a little bit over here on all the welds.